Headphone users, please turn your sound down.
Hey Elkie, this is Steven and you're watching Train War Pranks.
That's right, this guy attached some big fucking horns to his car, and let's see what he can do.
Alright. The dad jumped more, that's epic! Oh shit! Oh shit! Wow.
Yeah. Oh my god, that was amazing.
Really? Yep. The f was that?
Okay.
I got the good one.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Go? Yeah.
Go.
Go. Oh my god!
She's on. Should record her on front. They're not even looking.
That was funny though, they're actually moving.
She's like, where the hell did that come from? They're both looking. You still recording the game? Yeah, no, still recording. She's looking at us.
Wait a minute, what the hell was going on over there? Alright guys, make sure to check out Steven Alke for some more epic pranks.